Hello everyone. Welcome to SpringBoot Properties Tutorial Episode 3. In this video, I will show you how to fetch the properties using Spring's environment bean. This bean is an interface that represents an environment in which the current application is running. Now, let us move on.
The main application class contains, at the rate SpringBoot application, annotation which is used to start the project as SpringBoot application. Now open the application.properties file. We can give any property name we want. Let me give the property name as app.test.text.value. And the value of this property will be hello-world. Now, save the changes.
First of all, let us create a class which is named property service. Let me annotate the class with component annotation. This annotation is used to initialize the bean in IOC container. Now, let me auto-wire the environment bean. Now, I will create a method named getPropertyValues. Let me write a print statement with some description in it. Now, let us invoke the property using environment bean. Add the method getProperty using environment bean and specify the property name in it. This method is used to fetch the value from application.properties file. Now, let us call this method from the controller class. The controller class is annotated with @REST_controller, which specifies that this class is a controller class. Then, annotate the REST mapping annotation to specify the URI. Then, I will auto-wire the bean property service. Then, I will create a method named getPropertiesValue with getMapping annotation. Now, call the method getPropertyValue method using property service bean.
Now, let us start the application, and we will verify the output. Now, the application has been started with default port number 8080. We will now call the API method with the specified URI using postman. As you know, the application runs in local, hence we have specified as localhost. Upon executing the API, we will get 200 OK success response soon. Now, let us verify the print statement in the Eclipse console. As expected, the property has been fetched correctly, and it is printed in the console.
That's it. So, in this video, we have seen how to fetch property values using Spring's environment bean. In the next video, we will see how to fetch the property values of different data types. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.